Welcome back to Rani's Art and Craft, and today we are going to make bubbles. So for that, first of all, take any container and then take hand wash. Guys, you can use any company's hand wash. So you will be thinking, what's that orange type? Guys, I have made bubbles before also. So that time I have got that means that color. So it's the color of that bubble. So yes guys, don't forget to like this video, share with your friends and your families, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and also comment your challenges, your suggestions and everything about this video. And then just take a spoon or something else to just mix the bubble, means to just good bit of consistency. Okay, so guys, also subscribe my sister and follow her on Star Maker. So now let's see what we need next. So then take water and mix it with anything. So I am using my bubble blower. So this is my homemade bubble blower. If you want to see that how I made it, then comment me below now. So now let us mix it. After mixing, we will test it. Okay, so let's mix. So friends, you can see that it's working and many bubbles are coming and they are blowing also. So thanks for watching. Thanks for your help and support. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.